Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be making a simple zoom system where if you press right click, the player zooms in, and when you let it go, it zooms out. So let's make this. To start off, I'm using a third person template. So what I did to get this view is I go to my character and I assigned my camera to my head bone. So I got this nice first person look and I already have the input set up. So if you want to make a new input, go to actions, and then I'm going to copy jump. And I'm going to call this IA_zoom. Opening my IMC default. Then I'm going to add my previously made zoom button. And for this one, I'm using a right mouse button. Next up, I'm searching my previously made zoom action. Next up, I'm going to make a timeline component. I'm going to call this TL_zoom. Opening up right away. Length of the time will be 0.5. Next up, a float track, which I'm going to call alpha. Then I'm going to add 2 curve floats. Doesn't really matter where you add them. And then the first one, I'm going to set time 0 and value 0. And then the next one will be time 0.5 and value of 1. Then I'm going to select zoom to fit on both sides. And then I'm going to right click when I've selected both of them. Auto curve. Then I'm going back to my event graph. And from start, I'm going to get a branch. Next up, my TL zoom. I'm going to search is playing. This is to prevent input spamming. So let's say you're constantly spamming right click. This prevents you from getting weird glitches, and it only fires when it's not actually zooming. So when it's false, meaning there's no zoom currently going on, we want to play from start. And when it's completed, meaning you let go of the mouse, you then reverse it from the fully zoomed in. Then I'm gonna grab my camera, set field of view, and then from the alpha I'm gonna get a lerp. Also attach a field of view to update. And then instead of A, this goes to alpha. And A is your default field of view, which in this demo character, it's 90. So make sure to set that A to 90. And B is your targeted field of view. To make it easier, I'm going to promote this to a variable and call this zoom distance. Compile it. And then I'm going to set it to 60. And then a return value I'm going to add right here. And then when we compile and save this, we can test this setup. So whenever I press play and I press right click, I'm zooming in. And when I let go, I'm zooming out. And when I spam, you can see it's not doing weird stuff. So that's all you got to do to make a zoom system. If you want to see more shorter videos like this, do let me know down below in the comments. And if you have other suggestions, also welcome in the comments, and see you guys on the next video.